What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I wanted to do a quick price prediction and price analysis on CRO, or the crypto.com coin. CRO has had a beating of the fundamental bearish move. I mean, this is a drop down of almost, I believe, 50%. Yeah, 44%. So yeah, went down a lot. Actually found support then at 36.5 cents. And it did recover from that, and it hit the key level of 62.5 cents already. So yeah, short term I would still be bullish on crypto.com. If we're going to be looking at it long term, I mean, these technical analyses I do are kind of short term, and they're mostly with a maximum of 2 weeks. But yeah, if we're looking at it a little bit long term, we're looking at all the exchange tokens, I think CRO actually has a chance to be quite big. I mean, the crypto.com exchange is doing a lot of things to make itself a really known name. I don't think it's going to exceed Binance and maybe not even KuCoin, but still I think it's here to stay, and with a 14 billion market cap, I still think there's room for growth. So I think that the price from here, as I said, short-term bullish. I think it's going up to 65 cents again. From that area, it really depends. If it has a lot of trouble getting through that 65.5 cents area, I think it's more likely that we kind of consolidate between, I mean, ultimately 52, but it could also be 50 or 49 cents and 65.5 cents. I think we'll consolidate between there. If it has a lot of trouble, as I said, with breaking through that 65 cents area. I'm not quite sure if it finds resistance at it 3 separate times. I think that's the case. So if it finds resistance at 3 separate times between 63.75 and 65.50, I think it's more likely that we see a consolidation between 47.5 cents and 65.5 cents. If it manages to break, so if something like this happens, then it will probably break up until 68 cents. Yeah, we're more likely to see a consolidation between 82 cents and 65.5 cents. Yeah, so something like this. That was my initial prediction, actually, in my last price prediction and price analysis on CRO, which looked quite promising. I just think that CRO needs some consolidation after this big bull run. Yeah, as I just said earlier, I think long term there's still room for growth, but what you tend to see with these big bull runs is that the price just needs some time to rest, some consolidation, some accumulation. Crypto.com is not waiting around. They're doing things, so fundamentally they're getting stronger, which only increases the chance of a bull run. But for a bull run to really take off, sometimes the price does need to rest a little bit, accumulate awareness, accumulate capital. So yeah, I think it's going to consolidate. Where exactly really depends on this 65 cents area. But yeah, I explained that. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on the crypto.com coin, abbreviation CRO. The content of this video is in no shape or form financial advice, and it should not be taken as such. It's just my opinion based on technical analysis, some fundamental analysis and experience. So yeah, if you have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. Yeah, quick note, all of my technical analysis right now is based on the assumption that the price will actually return to its normal state. So a move such as this is not a normal state. It's called a crash or a dip. And those are most of the time fundamental and macroeconomic. So unless something like that happens, this analysis is valid, and all the other ones are. If something like that does happen, don't worry about technical analysis anymore. It's most of the times prices find support at a technical key level and stuff, but it's really not good to look at it in a crash or a big fundamental dip. So yeah, having said that, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.